Welcome back to Riotouch. This is Barry. Today, sharing latest news on the local live streaming and also both online and locally. Here is a bit of live streaming symbols. We can start live streaming. Here, we can access to the camera. This is my colleague Hong, and also that's right there. You can input your name here. So welcome back again. This is Barry. I input the name here. Here are two options you can choose. You can use the online service, which means you can join the live streaming with both different internet, different connection. Now let's try to join here and I start live streaming. Firstly, it will pump out a code. When you having this code, you can join this live streaming just right here. Now let's back into different screens. I can start to join your screen or start live streaming. If I'm assuming this is a different classroom and a different teacher and a student, and even by different device, now let's input this 2659367923. Oh, I should put the name and the here, and now I input the name. If I'm assuming different, it's carry. I joined the live streaming, so I successfully joined the classroom. You may notify if there was the camera, and after that I will start to mirror my screen. Now I'm assuming this is Ellen 26367923. Okay, we joined successfully. And you may hear there was an echo. So this is echo from that device. 26. So let's get back in there. So now we are backing with successfully mirror my screen to different screen. Now please switch the camera to here. With here, I can swipe my screen, and also you can check the camera here. If I'm using the UMI, the web software. Okay, so that's it for local live streaming. Thank you for listening.